Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to test for your controller stick drift on your PlayStation 5 controller so you know you actually have stick drift. So what you can do is go on over to the PlayStation Store and then go up to the top and go to search. And there's a specific game that allows you to test specifically for your stick drift. And this is Call of Duty. And this is free, so you don't have to go ahead and buy anything. So let's just type in Call of Duty. And then we want to go to the Call of Duty application and then choose this. And we want to get Warzone. We don't want to buy Black Ops or anything like that. So when we get to this game, let's go to the three little dots and go to View Product. And then once we get to this page, go all the way to the right and go to the three little dots and go to Call of Duty Warzone. And then get this. So we can select the version. So get the PS5 version and then go to Play Game finally and open up the Call of Duty application. So here it is, this is what it looks like. And when we get into here, we can go on over to all games by pressing R1 and go to Warzone. And when we boot into Warzone now, we can press options finally. And this is going to be great for testing stick drift. So use the R1 button, go over to settings, go down to controller. And then under controller, go on down. And there is an option under dead zone input. Press square, make this bigger, and then go to test stick dead zone and turn this on. Now on the right side, if you have any kind of stick drift, it should say something other than 000. So if I move it just slightly like this would be an example of stick drift where my horizontal axis on my right stick is 6% and the vertical is -1. So you can see it right there over on my screen, all the different values for stick drift. So it's very easy to test it to know if you have any kind of issue on your left stick or the right stick. You can see it's kind of like going back and forth. Now, if you're in the game, sometimes certain games have the option to adjust your dead zones. If your dead zones are way too low, well, this could be the reason why you have stick drift. So I'm going to use my left and right stick, and I'm going to move those to 0. Now, when I turn this on, well, it looks like my stick drift is actually really good here because I got zeros on both my left and right. So I don't have any issue with this controller. Usually you have to move it up a little bit to completely eliminate any kind of stick drift. So, and then we can turn on, just test it. So this is the easiest way to know definitively if you have any kind of issue with your stick drift on your PlayStation 5 controller. Go to Call of Duty, test your stick dead zones. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.